Knoritech is an engineering company selling products and services since 2009. The company develops systems, products and consumables for research, manufacturing, and industrial needs. Some of the products are manufactured in Knoritech, and some we distribute from worldwide leading manufacturers. The company has a diverse portfolio covering a range of products and solutions for different industries such as high-tech and semiconductors, health, life science, materials processing, Cleantech, autonomous vehicles, telecommunication, aerospace, and more. Simplifying manufacturing and research process, focusing on efficient and cost-effective working methodologies tailored to your specific business requirements, improving customers' performance, flexibility, lead time, and profit.